Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Nothing completes a celebration quite like an adorable party favor. I'm so excited to share with you not one, but 10 Frozen-themed party favors. First, you need a bag for the goodies. To make the dress, I designed a paper dress cutout in Design Space for the Cricut with a Frozen-ish pattern. The Cricut saves me hours of cutout time. Then I added sparkle spray paint. I used a white paper lunch bag as the base. Rolling clear tape is an inexpensive way to stick all the layers together, but glue dots are easier, or use glue sticks. Cut out the top of the dress. I personalized this by adding each guest's face to their own bag. Oh, they loved that. Next, I took 6 strings of 12-inch white yarn and braided them together. I attached the braid using glue dots. It's ready for all the goodies. Number 2, you need a party bag for the Kristoffs in your group as well. I took a brown paper bag and cut off 3 inches from the top. I cut diagonals at the top and kept cutting 2/3 of the way down in the center of the bag. Then I took brown felt and lined my bag up to it. I cut out enough felt to overlap the top and middle of the bag by 1/4 of an inch. To make the fringe, cut slits along the edges. It doesn't need to be perfect. Line it up and cut the felt to the pattern of the bag, leaving a 1/4 of an inch overlap. Then cut off the excess felt, which you'll use for the sleeves. Hot glue the felt to the bag. Take the scrap rectangle and cut it in half. Add fringes. Glue 1 to each side. For the suspenders, take orange ribbon and make X's with a permanent marker. Glue ribbon on each side of the bag. Ready to go! Number 3 is, do you want to build a snowman? I designed these cute labels, then I stuffed 3 marshmallows in a pretzel gift bag with a Tic Tac nose, candy eyes, and 2 pretzels. Easy party favor. In honor of our snow monster friend, Marshmallow, I used blue trolley gummies and white snowflake sprinkles to create a snow monster snack bag. We all know about Prince Han's tricks. A mini Twix ties in perfectly to our theme. One option for a party favor beverage is adding this glacier water label to a blue Kool-Aid bottle. Another drink option is this adorable Olaf Gatorade. If you have a Cricut machine, the print then cut option saves a lot of time cutting out the details. I made labels with Olaf's body that says, "I like warm hugs." I used clear tape for the label and head. If you hold him too long, the back of the label indicates he's a melted snowman. Number 8, Frozen Magic Wand. What does a snowflake wand have anything to do with Frozen? Well, it's because Elsa is meant to let it go. The color of the mint Mentos ties in perfectly with the Frozen color scheme. And this label I created gives it a purpose. Just tape the label on, add a snowflake, add gems, add ribbon, and voila! You're just meant to let it go. This Elsa wig party favor served 2 purposes. First, the kids got to dress up like Elsa. But second, they spent time decorating their Elsa hair with gems. Oh, they loved that. I have a separate video for how to make the Elsa hair wigs. I didn't want any non-princessy guests to be left out, so I made them a Kristoff Fest that they got to decorate with gems too. There is another video for how I made this too. The important thing is to choose 2 or 3 of these party favors, because all of them won't fit in their party favor bag. For more party ideas, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!